Hello, welcome to MCBOSS Capital channel. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Friday, January 16, 2026, 9:22 a.m. Mountain Time, so past 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We're seeing Nasdaq just barely up slightly. It was up more at the opening, I believe, and Dow is down 0.16. S&P is down slightly. Nasdaq volume is lower, and NYSE volume is much higher. So again, with the NYSE volume higher, there's a potential chance of a distribution day if we drop further from here. Let's take a look at the index here. Let's start with QQQ Nasdaq 100. So once again, we're still stuck in this range here. This is getting interesting because it's just stuck. That's the range at the top channel line. Here's the lower channel line. And yeah, it's not going anywhere. So I think the earnings season is just starting. Personally, out of the few ones that have reported, it's kind of more negative than positive reactions. That's just based on my own collection. But again, it's so few that it doesn't really matter in this moment. Starting next week, we should start to see more. Okay, so that's QQQ. Let's just quickly take a look intraday. One second here. Intraday wise, yeah, we gap up, but we came back down really fast, and then we bounce. So at least we're seeing a bounce, so that's good. Whether we will hold this low today, it's still early to tell, but at least we had a bounce. Let's go at SPY. We're similar action. We're seeing a bounce right now as well. Going to the daily chart, we are still above the short-term moving average. That's good. And this one, we have climbed to slightly newer highs, but again, we kind of stalling once again. It hasn't really break out decisively yet, right? It kind of peeked through the nose a little, peeked through the highs a little bit, and then it just stuck again, right? So let's go to Dow. Dow is very similar. It's just, again, similar action here. Kind of just trading near the 10-day there and the highs, so kind of also stuck in that range. Let's look at intraday chart here. Also went down since the opening, and then we bounced. So I think today's bounce is good, but like I said, we need to hold the support line today no matter what. Otherwise we will be setting up negatively for Monday, right? Finally we have Russell came down, but it bounced as well, finding near the low range. So this one is kind of being tested more than once, the low here, so that's good. Let's see here. So this is the daily chart, obviously the strongest index right now. So going to stocks on the move. This is the downside ones. EST is down here, so a lot of energy here. Down. CEG, Mosaic, JPHT reported, although this one has climbed back quite a bit, I think. Let's just take a look at the chart. Yeah, so it went down this morning, but it came back up. So it might be worth watching this because it probably shake out a lot of people. Team Billy is down today. It's been, yeah, so that's the downside. Let's look at the upside. Penumbra yesterday moved due to some acquisition. Is it going up again today? Okay, no, just staying at the same spot. So I'm not sure. figure is moving strong lately. This is a recent IPO. That's a big jump right there. Power Quanta Services, BLFB, Micron. A lot of tech stocks were up this morning, but they all gave up a lot of their gains. This is Micron here, like, it went up pretty nicely. It's still up 5%, but now it's trading at the bottom of the range. Yeah, so this one looks still pretty strong. I think the data storage guys are, in general, has been acting well. This is SanDisk, also coming back down from the highs. WDC. This one is actually negative now. STX. Those are the few that I usually watch. This one is still holding up, but this one is the least, has jumped the least right out of all of them. Let's see what else here. We have CJ, TSM. This one moved this morning, trying to hold the lows right now for the day. Nvidia bouncing a little bit, also trying to hold the low for the intraday today. Yesterday, I think the chip had a nice move. Today, it's just this is Broadcom also holding. The problem is that except for TSM, like, it hasn't moved much. Nvidia, and I think AMD yesterday tried to make a move, close at the bottom of the range. Today it's actually acting not bad. It's at the top of the range. So it's kind of a mixed message there. Anyhow, let's keep going here. AGX, Iron, SYI, COF. There's some financials, but a lot of them don't have the best. It doesn't meet my fundamental criteria. Bloom Energy, HNRG, Boot, PFH, Tigo is doing well. Tigo, USB, Bancorp, Reddit. There's some mining here. CDE, MYRG, MEMI. Okay, so let's look at quickly gold stock here. Okay, so this morning it dropped and then it bounced back. So we'll see if the gold stocks are recovering. Let's go to silver. Same thing, it dropped and it bounced back. So watch for that. Let me go to my stock list here quickly. So we see ADI moving, AMD, we saw that. MU, MXL, Nvidia, STX, TSM, we talk about those. Honestly, I don't see many stocks doing well today. So Charles swap down here, but yeah, I don't see many stocks moving decisively up today. A lot of them have give back their gains. So not a very good Friday so far. Like, I mean, it's not super bad, but it could turn ugly. We'll see. So yeah, thank you for watching today, and I'll come up with new videos this weekend, and stay tuned. Bye now. Have a good weekend.